Dictation start. The concept of consent in the context of Section 375 IPC has come up for consideration before this court on more than one occasion. Full stop. Before we deal with some of these decisions, reference to Section 90 of the IPC may be relevant, which reads as under consent known to be given under fear or misconception. Full stop. A consent is not such a consent at oblique as it intended by any section of this code if the consent is given by a person under fear or injury or under a misconception of fact, and if the person doing the act knows or has reason to believe that the consent was given in consequence of such fear or misconception. Consent of insane person. Full stop. If the consent is given by a person who from unsoundness of mind or intoxication is unable to understand the nature and consequence of that to which he gives his consent. Full stop. Consent of child, unless the contrary appears from the context, if the consent is given by a person who is under 12 years of age. Full stop. This court is oblique in a long line of cases has given wider meaning to the word consent in the context of sexual offences as explained in various judicial dictionaries. Full stop. A woman's consent to intercourse may be hesitant, reluctant, or grudging, but if she consciously permits it, there is consent. Full stop. In words and phrases, permanent edition at pages 205, few American decisions wherein the word consent has been considered and explained with regard to the law of rape have been referred. Full stop. These are as follows. In order to constitute rape, there need not be resistance to the utmost, and a woman who is assaulted need not resist to the point of risking being beaten, and if she resists to the point where further resistance would be unless or her resistance is overcome by force. Full stop.